So in today's video, it's all about micro braids. I'm using Easy Braiding Hair 26 inches and color T1B30. I'm going to cut the color at the bottom of this hair. I want the braids to be short this time. Starting with freshly washed shampooed hair. And this is the leave-in condition I use. Smells so amazing from Ghanaian Fruities. I'm not going to talk through this video. I want you to sit back, relax, and watch the video till the end. Show you all what I did. So this part is complete. Now that this part is done, without wasting any time, let's move on. I created this style last Sunday to church, and the compliment was so amazing. The most difficult part. It's always so difficult to braid your own hair, especially at the back side of your head. It's so difficult and so anstrenging. I never say die until the bones are rotting. Oh, baby girl. Oh, baby girl.
Hey girl,